Yes. Don't worry, I got you. I'm trying to snatch her up, guys. Snatch. Need to straighten my hair, do all types of things.
You're not curling or anything. What I thought was if we were doing the long, whatever style I would do, I have to copy it. But
It's not one of those types of corsets where it's so easy to just pull and lace.
do you know what I like? The fact that nobody's here with us. Yeah. I hate it when people are in your space. I feel good. I feel, yeah, babes, look. It's nice.
Hey guys, I haven't had the chance to speak to you, but it's because we are currently just rushing, but not rushing at the same time. We've had a crazy morning and we've just arrived to our shoot. Now this shoot was not planned. It was quite last minute, as in 12 hours ago. We decided that we wanted to do a shoot together. So our photographer loved the concept. I will attach his details. Oh, wait for it to focus. His name's Brendan Adams. What's his name? His name's Brendan, but I will attach his handle below. So right now I'm just gonna wait for the tools to heat up, press my hair, finish off my makeup, and then start cutting my outfit because we're both making our outfit. I'm with the lovely Indas today. Stay tuned. It's a crazy day today. This is our first stop. It's currently well 12:22 now, so I think Indas is currently going for like a very chic, glam, classic style. Some scissors in this. So this is our first stop. We have a really jam-packed day today, but we are definitely gonna finish strong. I feel like we've got most of the hard parts out of the way. I'm trying to find the scissors. We're both looking for something. Let's see who finds it first. I did. What are you looking for? Oh, I guess we both found it around the same time. Is this all the lashes I packed? Okay. Tools are, my heart was gonna, it's like straighteners. I was like, girl, I thought we had the straighteners. I could have sworn that, but I definitely put it in my bag because no straightener, basically no shoot. Hair's gonna be looking all bushy, like a mane. I'm trying to decide on a lash right now, or I'm thinking, do I do no lash? I'm trying to go for a natural. I can't find the butter lashes. Do you have them? The other lashes, not this one. Oh, the pain. I think it's this one here. Yes, it is. These are my favorite lashes. I can't even remember where I got them from, but they're so cute and wispy. And Daz is gonna do look one, buy me some more time so I can just touch up and start working on my outfit. We've both never done any research about what we're about to do. We're just gonna do it. We'll definitely get something done. Oh my gosh, I just had the lash. I've lost the lash. What? I just cut it. That's so strange. I'm not tripping. Is this the same lash? No, I don't think so. What did
Can I
do
have the
with
one that
it?
you just, where's the one that, this is it,
Girl,
really?
I'm trying to find.
No, I just bought this now.
Oh, you just bought this?
Yes.
This is yours? Sorry. I thought it was the one you picked up from here. New one?
Yes, the one that is just slightly red, sorry.
No, it's fine. This one? Using my fave NYX. Guys, this is the most relaxed I've been at a shoot. I'm hot combing my hair. Normally, it's a lot more frantic, you know? I just wanted to melt this face quickly. Where's that got to be? Yes. This right here is a shoot must have. Careful. Ah. Don't hurt my Barbie doll. You just open it up, adjust the length, and then you can make this portrait or landscape. So you want it landscape, right, for your vlog? Okay. So it's gonna be quite tight on it. But yeah, it's good. Alright, off you go. You're welcome. I cannot find my comb. I think I found it. Sometimes I'll say that I can't find something before I actually find it. That's always quite interesting. Yeah. So this is the fun part. I'm about to literally make my outfit on camera. I'm nervous because I have one shot at making this, because if we mess it up, there's no reruns. I'm wearing a cute little black dress right now. Let me show you. So that was a failed attempt at me trying to show you guys. I'm wearing mid-axi type of vibe of a dress. And can we quickly take in and dance right now, guys? Look at this. Look at her. She's killing it. Absolutely killing it. Girl, you look like royalty. I love it. Back to what I was saying. One shot at this. This can go two ways. But I think this should be easy. I shouldn't say that, but I'm confident that we can definitely do something cool with this. So, oh, there's a hole in this tie, which is okay because I guess it adds to the look that we are trying to do. I'm just gonna talk to you guys about our outfit. Basically made out of tights. And I don't know if you know what tights are, but we call them tights in the UK. But everybody else calls them stockings. I think they call them stockings. Sorry guys, I'm gonna be in and out. Let me do this. Okay, we're in. I'm gonna drop the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. Trying to put my bra on because I don't want to be exposed underneath the tights. They're quite sheer, especially once it's stretched. It can get a bit see-through. So we both actually said that we want to put something underneath or over it, depending on how it looks. Sorry, I'm trying to get this on, but it's giving me a hard time at the back. We gotta get the girls in there. I'm gonna start off with cutting off the top because I'm gonna use this as the sleeve. So I'm then gonna make a hole for my big head. I'm just cutting like a semicircle. So let's put this on. I'm gonna do this on camera. This is crazy. Oh my gosh, I've kind of created the neckline I want and I have the tights on. So right now, yes, let's go. I just want to put like some ladders in the tights. I just want to create this cute little effect. This is fashion, baby. Look at this. Poster girl. I'm having way too much fun here. It's crazy. Gonna cut me a little bust, just a little one. Love it. So I kind of crazy. I can't believe this. I'm just gonna tuck this in. So right now I'm just stretching it. I'm putting ladders in this. Can you see? If you're trypophobic, do not watch this screen. Look away. I'm gonna cut a little fab action thing so I can wear it like this. And then we're gonna cut some more.
I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see if you're gonna believe in you are unique. Don't waste your time with me.
Yeah, 3 shots real quick. Let me see. Okay, Dad.
What? Power Rangers. Okay, my shoe. I knew something was missing. My shoes. How could you forget my shoes?
I'm saying I'm okay.
Okay.
I like this too for one sitting, one standing pose. Self-coach yourself.
If I go like this, it's already stronger. Alright, ready, look. I'm stopping here, right?
I'm already
Okay, wait. You
so
stand.
I have to bend my head.
Stand up for me. I think we should just play around with these. Yeah, let's go. Ooh, when I tell you modeling is a workout, people think you just stand there and look cute, but so much thought goes into every single pose, especially when you're modeling with someone else. See, that's what we did? Let's just do that. I think let's go.
Like, how do I do this side now? Oh yeah, like that.
Tip number 1. Always make sure your poses complement each other. It's all about balance and flow. You don't want to look like you're in 2 different shoots.
Oh, no battery. Hold up.
Tip number 2, I would say core strength matters. Some of these poses tested us in ways we did not expect. Hold your core, find your angles, and trust your partner.
Great.
We had to wrap things up quickly because we needed to step in and help a friend who was a little overwhelmed running her event. At this point, we were absolutely exhausted and starving. We had been going non-stop, and with everything happening so quickly, we didn't even get a chance to eat. But with the last bit of our strength, we pulled through and showed up for our friend, because that's what we do. No matter how drained we were, we made it happen. But before we go, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to join the family. More creativity, fun, and behind the scene moments coming your way. See you in the next one. Can I just do a little appreciation second for my bestie? We're twinning right now, but she did such a good job today. How do you feel?
Honestly, hungry.
We're currently packing our stuff to call it a night because we're just hungry and tired. So we're gonna definitely get some food. But it was
A good event.
yes, it
We had
was
fun. It was a lovely day, fulfilling. Went to our shoot,
got
had
to
the
spend
first
time
food.
with my baby.
Oh, she's leaving me tomorrow.
I
mean, I'm
know.
leaving
Well,
you too,
we're
but
leaving.
yeah.
Yeah, whatever.